This is a demonstration on a Ferrograph Series 7 model 702H. That is a half track, high speed with no built-in amplifiers. I've just performed a full overhaul on this. It's taken me about 3 days. When I bought it originally, it was the sort of going rate that you see these things on eBay for at the moment, you know, like 180 quid plus carriage. But of course there was a lot wrong with it. It's had to have a brand new pinch roller, which is a newly manufactured one. It's had to have 3 idlers like these, which I get, I've got good rubber on them. It's been completely restored, and then when I got it up and running, there was a lot of problems on a few boards, a couple of leaky capacitors, so I had to go and check all the capacitors and check each one of the boards. I have some boards here that I rescued on another machine, so I've had to substitute the odd board and fault find, but it's running absolutely perfectly now, and it's fully serviced, fully calibrated, fully biased, and it sounds great. This, of course, being a high speed model, you have 7.5, 15 is the highest, and 3 3/4, so it's all the most popular speeds. You can get some really good reproduction quality at 15, but 7.5 is pretty good for most people's needs. What I've done on this, normally with this, the equalizer here, you need to set it for the speed. So at the moment, being at 7.5, I'm at medium. The thing is, I've disabled that because sometimes I've noticed that the EQ sounds better on low. You get more treble. It depends what sound you want. So on this, when you actually select low EQ with 7.5, it won't auto reset. I've disabled that part. But the foil stop is working, and also the auto stop is working. So you know, it's just this I reset because it's annoying, but it's not irreversible. Obviously it can be put back in. It's just a wire that it's been taken off and masked off. So as you can see, even though this is a non-amplifier, non-speaker version, all of these have speaker grills anyway. There's no speakers behind them. Obviously there's a handle which recesses, useful for carrying about. There's all the inputs and outputs, you see. Have an input, several outputs, speaker outputs. Or no, there's no speaker output here. This has got a low level adjustable output which works off the volume control down here. But yeah, there we go. DC fuses are all there. It's in very good condition, I would say. Really good condition, and it's been fully serviced, so it's on eBay now. If you want to buy it directly from me, which is preferable, you will get a discount if you buy it directly off me. You can contact me via delatronics.com, which is my website. My username is Delatronics on eBay, so if you want to get it cheaper, obviously you can contact me directly, because there's a lot of fees with eBay things at the moment. I pay 13.5% fees between eBay and PayPal, which you can understand on a machine that's £1,000 or £500 is an awful lot of money for selling a piece of equipment. So yeah, feel free to contact me directly. There we go. Let me plug it in and switch it on for you. So you have to use 6.3mm jack adapters. They're very easy to get on eBay. I could probably supply some if you want. So not that expensive anyway. But there we go. That's all you need. So turn the power on. Get the power light showing there. Right. So here we go. This is what it sounds like. notice on here the sound quality is really good, even at 7.5 IPS. If I change the equalization, listen to it. Can you hear the difference? Change it back. You see, it sounds a little bit darker and less trebly on medium. This is the way they set it up at Ferrograph, this equalization, but just like the Akai 4000 DS's, you can actually change the equalization on there. It doesn't reset it or anything like that. And I thought it'd be a really good idea to be able to change it on the Ferrograph. So this is like a first. I don't think anyone's done this before, but I worked out the circuitry. I've got all the diagrams here. I've got a couple of service manuals down there, and I worked out everything, and I worked out how to bypass it. So yeah, it's better to be bypassed, but it can easily be reconnected again if you wanted to. So there we are. Pause. It's working. Doesn't always work on these if it's not properly set up. You have to set this up correctly to get the pause to work, and of course it does, and it starts instantly. So let's rewind it. In fact, I'm gonna fast forward it at variable speed. Right. It's useful hearing the tape going when you're fast forwarding it, because you can tell where the parts are, where the songs begin, where they end. I mean, they do say that, you know, because the tape's going against the head all the time, and there's no tape lifters on these, that it wears the head out. But I've never seen a worn head on one of these. I've done quite a lot of them. They're really good heads. They're wearite heads, and they're really well made. Right, let's fast forward that. See what I mean? There we go. Hear the end of the tape. See? Now this piece here was recorded on this. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this, and if you're interested, you can get in touch with me directly or bid on it on eBay. Thanks for watching.